Now, what I am saying is, if you are working through mastering Azure basic services for live jobs, in live you need to build many services integration, Azure services integration. During that time, each service, when you are building it, there will be problems. Those problems you will not be able to face now, but in live, when you deploy the setup with applications deployment, you will be finding the issues. Example, there are multiple basic services. Here, if you see, what I gave is the coverage. It covers basic services like this. These are the services. In each service, I have designed 50 real world issues with its root causes solutions also. Let us say you guys practiced well on VM service, virtual machine service. Now you know it. There can be many issues comes when you have virtual machines running in live. Those issues are discussed in that particular topic, VM issues. The same way, you also worked with resources, Azure resources. That comes under Azure Active Directory setup. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
AD services, right? For AD services, you will find 50 issues. The similar way, Azure App Service is there. You know, App Service in Azure. There also you'll find 50 issues. Again, storage, which is related with blob and other things. Okay, there also you'll find some 50 issues. It means each service will have 50 minimum 50 issues and their root causes, their solutions. If you keep learning all these basic services issues upfront by walking through the videos, there are PDFs also. I have shared it. You can download them also later and walk through the PDFs also. So you'll be perfect in answering the interviews with these issues mastery.
Okay. Yeah.
That is the purpose of creation of this course. Because many training institutes, they don't teach these kind of things. In projects, what kind of issues you face, how to find the root causes, how to resolve them. It takes sometimes months together for solution architect also to resolve the issues because they don't have much experience, much knowledge. Here you are gaining that kind of experience by going through all these services issues. You will gain at least 2 to 3 years solution designer experience. The solution designer, he creates the integration of the services with particular architecture. Okay. Now that issues they'll come to know once it is deployed into the live. First day onwards, they'll keep getting the ops team, cloud ops team, operational team will be there. Those people will be identifying those issues and root causes will be found by uh, the, uh, these cloud engineers basically. So, but how cloud engineers will find it? They have to struggle their the knowledge and walking through Azure side. A lot of tests they need to do it. But without doing the test itself, you have ready-made solutions made in this particular course.
Yeah.
Same way for DevOps also it is there, and you can see for Kubernetes, containers, all that kind of services. So that is the benefit of this course. Then let me explain other courses also. Now you have seen these things. Normally, what I do is who all performed well exceptionally. Those people POCs, I'm going to upload it here under this course. What happens is if somebody joins in the course also, they can go through these videos and pick up whichever POC they wanted to present during the coaching that can be used it. At the same time, I'm also sharing the PPTs to that relevant videos. You have seen that, but you need to prepare your own PPTs by walking through with the ChatGPT also as a part of the course process. But this course, what it is going to give, it is going to give the confidence level to build live tasks upfront. Okay, now let us say Rahul is giving demos and Ravi is going to give demos. Such kind of activities, if there are no activities, or if they have not used completely the process what I designed for you guys as a standard, then I'm going to put some of them here for future students purpose. Then what they are going to do, they are going to follow that before practicing. Then they'll gain the confidence level also. And another thing is, every year Azure or AWS or GCP, they're changing the layouts, screen layouts, front end design, they are changing it. The latest videos, if the course buyer also sees that, then they'll catch how to work with Azure, they'll learn it. And also, in you can't compare with the training material. In training, trainers are going to give a demonstration of particular service, how to set up a single service like that. They don't give like you build an image gallery for MySQL server or WordPress server. Such kind of thing, they don't do that. Example, these are the examples I'm saying. But here you have the proof of concept projects designed on the basis of the live requirements. So this kind of live requirements you are not going to get in any of the training portals like Coursera, any other Udemy or any kind of online training portals. Okay, but these are the work samples done by past students who those are performed exceptionally during the course. From them, you can learn faster and you can plan for your deliveries also. Delivery means presentations. Okay. Then another thing is I'll show AI related. See, in this course, if you see, I have prepared. Uh, sorry, I have prepared for generative AI and machine learning also with a lot of samples. Samples means work samples done by the latest students and also MLOps related. Apart from that, I also created some videos related with business solutions, related with algorithms also. Okay, it is mentioned all the details here. If you are following this one during machine learning module of our coaching or generative AI module of the coaching, you will gain the domain knowledge also here. Business domain knowledge, technical domain knowledge also. Okay. So these are the questions I wrote it and answers also I gave. What are the benefits you are going to get from this course by? Okay. So with all these three courses in Azure, you will become mastery up to generative AI. Apart from attending my coaching and mentoring sessions, regular coaching and mentoring sessions. Okay. Uh, then, as I told you, you have to be aware of the architecture patterns in any cloud services. Example, I have created some course here by taking AWS as an example. Each lesson has got particular service exposure in AWS, but I'm not only discussing the AWS related components or services. If you want to build particular architecture, what are the standards? What are the design trend you need to follow? Uh, in that architecture, I have discussed in detail with one person who is a senior solution architect here in Wipro right now. So, live examples also we discussed it, both sides. So these examples are going to be helpful for you to provide the solutions in architecting the cloud and DevOps also in life. That is the purpose of these theoretical sessions. Okay, Rahul, you got it right? Total.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
So for app purpose, what you need to do actually, these URLs you can follow. One is course URL directly from web browser. You can do it, and also you can download VS Kumar coaching also, coaching app in Google Play Store, and also if you go to iPhone has got in the there are courses. Play Store is there in the Play Store. Uh, that particular module has got Class Plus uh, app. In that app, VS Kumar Coaching will be displayed. That way, iPhone configuration can be done it. But anyhow, you got the access through web access. You are okay with that. Okay. So that's all about the online digital courses to learn and practice up to architecture level.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.